लेट्स होप हिम्मत मर्दा मदद खुदा। तो
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
पूरा आ गया है फिर से अपनी हफ्ता वसूली की। इसका रोज का सवेरे का यही काम है मेरे उठने। बैक टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल राइड विद द बीस्ट। ऐसा कुछ इतना काम तो नहीं था, बस एक ही काम था। वो काम था हमारा जो सुल्तान है और जो दूसरा वाला बकरा है उनकी ग्रूमिंग करनी थी। वी हैव टू ग्रूम देम। उनकी खुर बनानी थी, उनके हेयर कट करना था, तो इसलिए आज का पूरा दिन उनको था। मगर वही होता है जो मंजूर खुदा होता है। तो हमारे अनीस भाई जो पूना में सारे बकरों का हेयर कट और खुर कट करते हैं वो अवेलेबल नहीं थे आज। तो अब क्या करें, अब कुछ है ही नहीं करने के लिए और व्लॉग तो जाना ज़रूरी है। इसलिए आज हम रिवील करेंगे माय पर्सनल कार जो बहुत दिन से बंद है और बिल्कुल गंदी हो चुकी है। उसे आज हम रिवील करेंगे, उसे सबसे पहले क्लीन करेंगे और उसे वीडियो में पूरा दिखाएंगे। तब तक के लिए स्टे ट्यून्ड। इट्स 11:25 in the morning. ये देखो इसकी हालत। भाई कोविड के वजह से मेरा बिज़नेस तो पूरा बंद है और मैं सिर्फ कार नाइट में प्रीफर करता हूँ ले जाना, और दिन में मैं बाइक पे ही घूमता हूँ और मेरा बिज़नेस जो है वो सारा नाइट में ही होता है। तो ये कार पिछले 1.5 महीने से ऐसे ही खड़ी है। ये देखो इसकी हालत। ये मैं लास्ट जब कोविड खुला था, जब मैं लोनावला गया था फैमिली के साथ, जब से ये कार ऐसी ही है। और जब मैं यासर भाई और कलीम भाई अलीम गोट फार्म गए थे फरवरी में, शायद 5 तारीख आई थिंक, देन वी वेंट ओवर देयर। जब से ये गाड़ी खराबी है, ये गाड़ी अब साफ़ करनी पड़ेगी। बहुत गंदी हो गई है। बाय द वे दिस इज़ माई K services. M stands for Mohsin and K stands for Khan. It's Mohsin Khan Services. You will get to know what I do, what kind of company it is. On my way to clean my car. Let's see whichever place is open where I can manage it. बस साफ करनी है, कहीं पे भी हो जाए, अंदर बाहर से कहीं से भी। ये आज ऐसा लगता है कि कुछ बातें करूं, अपने बारे में बताऊं कि हु इज़ राइड विद द बीस्ट। राइड विद द बीस्ट कौन है, क्या करता है, तो देखते हैं। लेट्स सी। अगर वॉशिंग सेंटर कोई मिलता है गाड़ी क्लीन करने के लिए तो हम लोग कार में बैठे रहेंगे, वो अपना काम करेगा और हम लोग कार में बातें करते हैं। आज there is nothing more to show, so I decided to talk about myself today, okay, who am I and what I do for a living. Let's see, we are nearby a washing center. If we could find it open so we can clean our car. Let's see how it's going to. ये जो जानवर का शौक है ना, ये इट इज़ लाइक बहुत पहले से बंद है। शट बंद है यार, ये तो क्या करें। I don't think think so we are going to get any washing center. So what we will do is we'll park our car somewhere and let's today talk. So we are back here close to my house. There is a place, there's a church over here. It's St. Ignatius Church. I know I have been played over here from since I was like a younger kid and I was like a teenager. I used to cycle a lot over here. I have played football in this ground. Behind this church there's a school. It's a St. Joseph Convent Boys High School. I have not studied over there, but I have studied in All Saints High School. A lot of things to tell. There is nothing to show today, and because of this lockdown going on, it is not possible me to go out and explore things. So I decided to talk about myself and let me introduce you guys about myself. So basically, I born and brought up in Pune. Very funny, very angry sometimes if something happens wrong, which is I was from a security field. I was a bouncer in a company. I used to work as a bouncer. So I decided one day, I worked for that company like 2 years, I think so, in 2010 to 2011. When I was a bouncer, I was being promoted as a security officer in a 5-star hotel in Pune. So after working for a 5-star hotel, I quit my job in 2012. And in 2013, I started my company, which is named MK Services. So MK Services is 8-9 years old, I think now. Yes, but nowadays MK Services little down because of this COVID-19, because I usually deal in nightclubs. Some people call me specialist of nightclubs. So I like that. I feel good in it. बहुत सारी बातें करने के लिए मैंने जैसे बताया कि मैं राइड विद द बीस्ट की सच्चाई क्या है, राइड विद द बीस्ट कौन है और राइड विद द बीस्ट जीने के लिए क्या करता है. तो जीने के लिए राइड विद द बीस्ट एक कंपनी चलाता है जिसका नाम है MK सर्विसेज, जो मेरी खुद की कंपनी है और जो मैंने फॉर्म की थी 2013 में और वो अभी तक भी चल रही है. From last 1 year there is a COVID situation in the entire country and entire world, and everybody is hit in this. So it's not only I am facing all these kind of issues, but still I am fine, I am doing good, I am okay. How I started vlogging, it was like I used to go with my family to Ajmer, Rajasthan, and I went to Ooty, Andhra Pradesh, Hyderabad. I used to take my camera, mobile camera out, and I used to shoot and I used to click pictures. But at that time, vlogging and that everything was not that common. And nowadays these things are very common. I can see every single person or every 10 to 1 person is putting their videos on YouTube. They are starting their own channel. So I thought that I am also free now because of this COVID. My business is down. Every nightclub, every restaurant is shut. So why don't I start vlogging? So I started vlogging. Like from last 1 week. First I started, then I thought that why I am doing this, मैं क्यों कर रहा हूँ ये और क्या फिर मैंने सोचा I am doing this for my happiness to explore, so why don't I start a channel. So these are people who are sitting and watching us from their mobile screen, their laptops, their TV. They were going to give us love and support. तो मैंने सोचा कि हाँ यार शुरू करते हैं. first or second video, I was like little shy to face camera, to talk to people. It was like very different for me to do these kind of things, because I have not done anything like this in my past. So I thought that this is a digital media world now. How can we connect with the people? We have to do these kind of things, then only we can connect to the people. So I started this. So what I thought, I like to ride bikes. So why don't I start riding bikes in this free time to explore everything? And then I thought I'm a big fitness freak. So I thought that why don't I show my fitness transmission to everyone? They can see, they can be inspired by me. I'm not that big, but they can feel the difference. So I started this kind of things. And after that, I thought that why should I don't show my hobbies, which are like animals. I love goats a lot, big goats. It's a long history about goats and me. बहुत बड़ी कहानी है, बहुत बड़ी बातें हैं इसके पीछे. गोट, बकरे, अंडू बकरे. It's what you can call in English a breeding buck. I was like in goat industry from 15 to 18 years, I think so. And my first biggest goat was Hero in 2015, which was Golden Rowdies. It is my group of a bunch of people from Pune and Mumbai. We are like brothers, man. We are like brothers. Golden Rowdies are like brothers. And we have a Pune group which is called V3. V3 मैं, यासर भाई और कलीम भाई. V3. बहुत सारी बातें थी. बकरे इंडस्ट्री में कैसे आया? I came as a hobby. Still I am continuing it. और बकरे मैं पालता हूँ खुद. I like to grow my own goats by myself. I don't like to give my goats to anyone to take care of it. So I keep my goat with me. I feed them by myself. I do whatever. I do vaccination for them by myself. I have like history of big goats like Hero, Tipu Sultan, and right now I have Sultan. Sultan is like lovely. You can see Sultan as a beautiful goat with heavy weight in 2021. So let's see. I'm going to plan for Sultan to do a video, a proper video on him. So in future, in few days I will do that. And थोड़े दिन में मैं सुल्तान पे पूरी वीडियो बना दूंगा और सबको पता चली जाएगा कि मैं उसे क्यों इतना प्यार करता हूँ, उसकी खूबसूरती और उसके वेट के साथ. बहुत अपने आप में बहुत अलग चीज़ है वो. और I take care of a company's legal work too for nightclubs. I do that. I don't think so it's possible me to take that company's name on this platform. So it's about myself. I said you what I do for the living. Right now what I am doing, I am only doing vlogging, recording, and Ramzan is going on. Ramzan चल रहा है तो रमज़ान में मैं फास्ट रख रहा हूँ, तो फास्ट चल रहा है मेरा. And rather than that, what I do, I help my mother in her grocery shop. She has a grocery shop, so I help her in that. And that's it. Gyms are closed. Everything is closed. Let's see things get better and we start living our normal life. We think for the betterment. Things are going. This is not going to be permanent. I remember my mother says every time when I am upset, she says that if there is a bad day, if good days didn't stay, the bad days will also not be going to there with us. So very good days are going to come back. and still we are happy. Alhamdulillah for everything what we have. And in future I'm going to start my ride and driving. If I am alone, I will ride definitely. I'm going to buy a bike very soon. In future you are going to definitely see lots of video my traveling to my friends goat farms and meeting them. I always go there and meet them and have fun with them, but I have never shooted all that balancing. I have never recorded. I have recorded, but it was like personal till this. But in future, this is it's not going to be personal anymore. I'm going to show you all my friends farm that I'm going to visit. And one more thing, I have two daughters. One is Amna and younger one is Mahira. They both study in a good convent school and they are doing good in their studies. And my mother is like a warrior. She's a warrior. Because of her, I am everything. And I have a lovely wife. Let's finish this over here and have a great day. And please do follow, like and subscribe me on this YouTube channel. And I am on Instagram as Mohsin MK KHAAN Khan. Please do follow me on Instagram. Please pray for our relationship, my family. Till then, peace.